Struggling with long editing sessions for talking head videos? What if I told you there's a tool that can cut out all the dead air in your footage in just a few clicks? Let's dive into Recut and save you hours in post-production. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Scott Stevenson. I'm a DP and gaffer living here in Los Angeles. I've been working in the film industry for over 10 years, and I've worked for such brands as Kia, American Express, Amazon, Netflix, and Nickelodeon, just to name a few. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super helpful piece of software that will save you tons of time in post-production. If you're anything like me, you're constantly editing down talking head style videos, whether it's for YouTube, documentary, or other types of client work. This software I'm going to be showing you guys is called Recut, and it's actually been around for a while. I used it quite a lot back in 2021 when it was first launched as a plugin for Final Cut Pro X. What's super cool is not only can you use it for Final Cut Pro X, but it can also be used in Premiere Pro as well as DaVinci Resolve. What Recut essentially does is it cuts out all the silent parts of your videos. This is helpful because it gets the boring part of getting a tight A-roll edit out of the way quickly. This saves you time so you can be more creative with your edits. So let's jump into Recut and I'll show you around. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a like. First up, we're going to import our footage. Importing footage is actually pretty easy. It's just like navigating to anywhere on your hard drive, or you can go ahead and drag and drop right into a new project. So basically there's two ways to work inside of Recut. You have the clips and the segments. Clips is just like moving clips in a normal NLE, and segments is basically the sections between where there's silence, and you can manipulate how much or how little you want to cut out. If you want to see some of the shortcuts, you can go up to the top here in the help menu and there's a full list of the shortcuts. They're pretty similar to other NLEs out there. As far as exporting, you have a few different options for sending out XML for different editors. You can also export an MP4 if that's more your style. So I'm going to go ahead and export an XML, and let's go ahead and bring it into DaVinci Resolve and I'll show you what that looks like. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and import the timeline, and then just go and navigate to where that XML is. It'll give you this dialog box where you can choose where that source file is going to go, as well as change the timeline resolution, which is kind of handy. And there you go. It'll open up just like a normal timeline, except it'll have all your beautiful edits. Well guys, hopefully that was helpful in some way. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know if this software is something that could assist in your post-production workflow. Once again, I'm Scott Stevenson. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out my past videos as well as subscribe to see my future ones. Peace.